Hi friend, it's me, Assistant Professor Manoj Himne, Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Art, Commerce and Science College, Surtoli Lohara, Tahsil Devri District, Gondia. Please follow me on the YouTube channel and subscribe the channel to get daily notification about the lectures. Okay, in the last video we have discussed about the introduction of the writer Rabindranath Tagore. You know better who is Rabindranath Tagore, and we have also discussed about the birth and work of Rabindranath Tagore and which awards he has won the Nobel Prize in 1913 for the literature, and he is the only person in India who got Nobel Prize in literature, and from that no one could get Nobel Prize, and he has awarded the Nobel Prize for his work, a anthology of poetry, Gitanjali. Okay, in this video we will discuss about the lesson in detail. The narrator's precocious 5 years old daughter Minnie started talking very young and now she can't stop talking for a minute. At the beginning of the lesson, the narrator of the lesson, the Kabuliwala, introduced a 5 years old daughter of himself, that name is Minnie. And when the lesson begins, Minnie was 5 years old and she was very talkative, and that's why she can't stop talking for a minute. While her mother loses patience and with Minnie's chatters and often scolds her. The narrator can't bring himself to tell her to be quiet because it is so unnatural when she is not talking. And when she was continuously chattering or talking, her mother was sometimes lost her patience and she scolded Minnie. But the narrator, her father, can't bring himself to tell her to be quiet because it is unnatural. Because she cannot stop for a minute, she cannot being not talk. ती थोडा वेळ सुद्धा न बोलता थांबू शकत नव्हते, and that's why she was continuously talking and chattering for various subjects. Because of this, Minnie turns to her father when she wants to talk, and whenever she wants to talk, Minnie goes to her father because her father never scolds her, and that's why she always, whenever she wanted to talk, जेव्हा तेव्हा बोलायचं असायचं तेव्हा ती तिच्या वडिलाकडे जात असायची. ही मिनी आहे की नुसती बडबड. छोटीशी मुलगी 5 वर्षाची म्हटलं तर आणि कंटिन्युअसली ती बोलत असायची. तिला सवय होती ती, आणि अननॅचरल होती तिला थांबवणे म्हणजे, कारण की ती न बोलता न चॅटरिंग करता राहू शकत नव्हते. अँड दॅट्स वाय रायटर, द narrator himself also cannot try to tell her or cannot try to stop her to talking or to chattering. एके दिवशी काय घडत असतं, one morning while the narrator is working on the 17th chapter of his book, when the narrator was reading the novel and he was in the midst of 17th chapter, Minnie approaches him and tell him that the gatekeeper doesn't know the proper word for a crow. What did he say? When the narrator was reading a book and he was in the midst of 17th chapter, his daughter Minnie got into his room and she tells him that the gatekeeper of the house, Ramdayal, doesn't know the proper word for a crow. ती काय म्हणताय, रामदयाल जो गेटकीपर आहे त्याला काय माहित नाही म्हणताय, द वर्ड क्राव. द जो क्रो हा जो वर्ड आहे, he cannot pronounce the word crow. He calls it, means the Ramdayal calls the word crow is a cow instead of cow. काय काय म्हणताय ती जो क्रो जो वर्ड आहे त्या क्रोच्या वर्डला कसं म्हणताय, तो क्रो या ऐवजी तो काय म्हणताय, का काया अशा प्रकारचं म्हणत आहे. बट the narrator realizes that, but the narrator of the story and the father of Minnie realizes that she has actually misunderstood. She cannot understand the language of Ramdayal because Ramdayal, the gatekeeper, speaks a different language. He was speaking with Minnie in a different language, and that's why she cannot understand the proper language of him, and that's why she misunderstood the meaning of the word of Ramdayal. However, before the narrator can explain this to her, काय तिचे जो वडील होतं, मिनीचं वडील, द नरेटर can explain, he trying to explain the differences between two languages or many languages, and before he talking to something, see again talking on another subject. However, before narrator can explain to her, Minnie tells him that Bhola told her an elephant in the sky skirts water through its trunk to make it rain. What did she says? She says that, she says to narrator that the Bhola told her, Bhola तिला सांगते म्हणताय, काय सांगताय, Bhola told her that elephant live in a sky and they pour water through its trunk. ते आकाशामध्ये ढगांमध्ये हत्ती राहत असतात आणि ते त्यांच्या सोंडेतून काय पाणी खाली टाकत असतात, आणि त्यामुळेच काय, टू मेक इट रेन्स, जे पाऊस पडत असते ते पाऊस हत्तीच्या सोंडातून पडत असते. अशा प्रकारची ती बडबड तिच्या वडिलाला ती सांगत असते. Again, the narrator cannot answer her, and at that time narrator also trying to teach her, trying to tell her about the rain and about the Bhola, about elephant and how rain is coming. He trying to tell her, but before he can something, she trying to transfer her subject to another subject. Again, the narrator cannot answer her because she abruptly asks what the relations her mother is to him. And she again go to the next question and she trying to ask his father what is the relationship of a father to her mother. तो काय विचारत असते की ती तिच्या वडिलाला विचारते की तुमचं माझ्या आईशी काय संबंध आहे, अशा प्रकारचा प्रश्न ती तिच्या वडिलाला विचारत असतं. द नरेटर इज अनश्योर हाऊ टू आन्सर and he was confused at this time, and he thought that what answer he should गिव्ह टू हर. त्याला वाटतं की आपण हिला काय आन्सर द्यायला पाहिजे, कारण की तिने जो प्रश्न विचारलेला असतो इट इज क्वेश्चन ऑफ मॅच्युअर बॉय अँड द नरेटर इज अनश्युअर. त्याला खात्री नसते व्हॉट टू आन्सर अँड सो ही टेल्स हर and that's why he trying to tell her to go and play, and that's why he can't answer to her question, and that's why he tells her you go and play somewhere, but she sit on the floor, but she didn't go outside and she sits on the floor next to him and play, and she sits to there next to him and play at the place. The narrator continues working on his book, and the narrator she also sit there, and the narrator also sit his place, and he continuously reading his book. The narrator continues working on his book, and he was in the midst of 17th chapter, an adventure story in which, and he was reading a story in which the main character are escaping from a prison. And what he was reading, what the narrator was reading, you will be asked what the main character of the story which is written by, which are reading by, which are reading by the narrator. The main character, the Pratap Singh, was trying to escape his heroine Kanchan Lata from the palace. He is escaping from a prison. Here, prison is used for the palace because she was the heroine of the story, heroine of the novel was in the palace, in the नजरेसमोर, कोणाच्या, तिच्या आई वडिलांच्या, राजाच्या नजरेसमोर होती, अँड दॅट्स वाय अँड सी लव्स द हिरो ऑफ द स्टोरी प्रताप सिंग, अँड दॅट्स वाय प्रताप सिंग come to escape her from the palace, but Mini suddenly catch sight of a Kabuliwala outside, and in that time, at the time, Mini suddenly look outside and she looks to the Kabuliwala from the windows. ती कंटिन्युअसली काय करत असतं, अचानकपणे ती खिडकीच्या बाहेर बघत असतं आणि तिला बाहेर काबुलीवाला दिसत असतं. ही इज ड्रेस इन अ डर्टी बॅगी क्लोज. काय तो कसा दिसत असतो, मीन्स काबुलीवाला. Here Kabuliwala is a trader. He was from Afghanistan and he came to Kolkata to buy his to do his business of selling dry fruits. He is dressed, and the Kabuliwala is dressed in a dirty baggy clothes. तो dirt एकदम घाणेरडे कपडे घातलेले असतो, खूप मडलेले कपडे असतात, and carrying boxes of grapes, and on his shoulder there are the boxes of grapes, and he carries boxes of grapes. The narrator thinks, the narrator of the story, the father of Mini, thinks that the Kabuliwala spells troubles, and the narrator thought that the Kabuliwala may be spell trouble or maybe the तो कोण असेल म्हणताय एखादा लुटेरा असेल मुलं पकडणारा असेल असं त्याला वाटत असतं and laments that he won't get to finish the chapter he was working on आणि काय त्याला वाटत असते मिनीचं लक्ष त्या काबुलीवाल्याकडे गेलं तो जर काबुलीवाला आपल्याकडे आला तर त्याचं जो चॅप्टर वाचणं चालू होतं जे नॉवेल वाचणं चालू होतं ते मधातच थांबविल्या जाणार याची चिंता त्याला वाटत असतं. Hearing Minnie yelling about him and when Minnie looks Kabuliwala, she continuously yelling for him. She continuously yelling about Kabuliwala. The Kabuliwala comes up to the houses and she continuously calling him Kabuliwala, oh Kabuliwala, Kabuliwala, come here. And the Kabuliwala come to the house. Minnie suddenly becomes afraid that the Kabuliwala actually carries children in his bag and Minnie suddenly becomes afraid of him. त्याला बघितल्याबरोबर जवळ आल्यावर त्याला बघितल्याबरोबर ती त्याच्या मनामध्ये भीती निर्माण होत असते कारण की तिला वाटत असते काबुलीवाला ऍक्च्युअली कॅरीड चिल्ड्रन इन हिज बॅग त्याच्या बॅग मध्ये काय असतील मुलं असतील असं तिला वाटत असते and that's why she was afraid of him. So she runs away to the another part of the house and when the Kabuliwala came to the house, she suddenly runs away to the another part of the house. Not wanting to be rude, the narrator invite the Kabuliwala. काय आणि जो फादर असतो मिनीचा तो काबुलीवाल्याला घरामध्ये बोलवत असतो इन अँड बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम हिम आणि त्याच्याकडून काहीतरी घेतो. While they talk about Afghani politics and the present conflict between the British and the Russian in Afghanistan, and they both, the narrator and the Kabuliwala, the Rahman Khan were talking about the politics in Afghanistan and the parties British and the Russian in Afghanistan. They were talking to each other. Although the Kabuliwala asked about Minnie and after the discussion about the politics, the Kabuliwala asked the narrator about Minnie and the narrator calls her into the room and from the veranda the narrator calls Minnie to come outside to come out to dispel her groundless fear. She refuses to go up to him and instead eyes Kabuliwala suspiciously, but she cannot come to outside because she was afraid of him. She thought that he is a kidnapper. He kidnapped some children and he kept the children in his bags and that's why she was totally afraid of him and that's why she doesn't come to outside. Okay, the next part of the story we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.